Hi, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing mango ladoos. If you are a mango and a sweet lover, then try these mango ladoos, which are different from the other regular ladoos what we prepare. Ingredients required are 1 mango, mixed nuts of your choice, 1 cup desiccated coconut, half cup condensed milk. Procedure for preparing mango ladoos. Take 1 mango and transfer the pulp into the blender and blend to fine paste without adding any water. Now take a white pan and add 2 teaspoon ghee. Add mixed nuts of your choice. Have taken almonds, cashews and kismis. You can add nuts of your own choice. Sort the nuts slightly until they turn little brown color. Next add 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Sort the coconut until it turns little brown color. When color of the coconut changes little brown, add half cup of mango puree and give a mix. Next add half cup of condensed milk. Here I am using sweetened condensed milk, therefore I am not adding any extra sugar to it. Keep mixing slowly on low flame until the mixture thickens. Once the mixture thickens, take small portion and make a ball out of it. It should form a non-sticky ball. This is the stage when it's ready to prepare the ladoos. Allow the mixture to cool slightly. Grease the hands with little ghee and make ladoos. Repeat the procedure with the remaining mixture and make all the ladoos in the same way. Mango ladoos are ready.